Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your bar foot rail step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have all the parts from your package. Your kit includes combination brackets, flush end caps, a splicer, an Allen key with grub screws, set screws, metal tubes. Start by sliding a bracket onto each end of the tube and positioning them where you want the rail to sit. Next, secure each bracket in place using the provided set screws. Then, tighten the connection between the bracket and the tube using the grub screws. Once everything is secure, insert the end caps on both ends of the tube. The process begins the same way as in Part A. To connect two tubes, use the splicer included in your kit. Slide the splicer halfway into one tube, then attach the second tube to the other side. Next, slide a bracket over the joint so it covers the seam. Tighten it using the same steps as before, secure with set screws, and finish by inserting the end caps. And that's it. Your bar foot rail is now fully assembled. With just a few simple steps, your setup is complete and ready to use.